Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Down on the farm, what do I see? Animals playing so happily. Bunny hops high and the puppy runs fast. Clap your hands, let's make the fun last. Jump, jump, jump in the playground. Run, run, run all around. Swing, swing, swing up so high. Laughing with the clouds in the sky. Cow says moo on the slide so tall. She loves to play with her friends, one and all. Chickens peck seeds by the sandbox near. Every little giggle brings a cheer. Jump, jump, jump in the playground. Run, run, run all around. Swing, swing, swing up so high. Laughing with the clouds in the sky. See the sheep rolling on the green grass. Horses gallop, watch them pass. Frogs are splashing in the little pond. Come along, friends, and let's respond. Slide down the rainbow, spin in the swing. Hear the joy that the morning brings. Monkey swings from the tree above. Sing with the animals, dance with love. Jump, jump, jump in the playground. Run, run, run all around. Swing, swing, swing up so high. Laughing with the clouds in the sky. Now the sun is setting, day is done. Animals resting, everyone. Hush, little bunny, hush, little pup. Close your eyes and dream, the fun won't stop.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.